See what happens when you put peaches on the yard. Look at there. There's a bird over there. Because I threw some over there. There's a chipmunk out here getting some. He ran away. Yep. Let's see when they get the peaches. Look at them. See them back there? They're getting the peaches. They're getting the peaches and they're flying away. Watch them. They smell them. See? About to get some peaches. What happens when you put peaches in the yard? See if you're going to grab one. Oh, there's a baby wood. Well, it's not a baby anymore. It's getting big. Look at the woodpecker. Look at the chipmunk. He coming to get the peaches too. Oh, the woodpecker discovered them. The red wing, look at them. They going back telling everybody. Look at how they're coming and going. They're snatching those peaches and gone. There's 2 chipmunks. They smell it. Their nose is crazy. Look at all those red wing, blackbirds is coming. Put peaches in the yard. Everybody likes something sweet. There's a grackle. Look at him getting them. Look at them. It's an honor and a privilege to take care of nature, because in return it will take care of me. And my spirit will transcend. It is transcending now. I'd rather spend time doing this, caring for them, than the shit to be out here. So much negative energy. Losers. Most of them. Monopolizing, owning nothing but maybe a car and their clothes in someone else's domain. But yet they're educated while they're drinking. Disregard the bass that you hear from the right. It's not important. It's reckless incivility, because you do nothing with that knowledge and stay in a loop and do nothing with it. So screaming in the park while you're intoxicated, it's not solving anything. Do something with that intelligence. Elevate and rise to another standard for yourself. That's all I have to say. Look at a red-winged robin. I want you to see that sometimes you see the yellow, and sometimes you see that. That grackle ain't moved from there. It is eating every freaking peach you can find. Oh, let me stop.